Ready to finally ditch the chaos and conquer your goals with a killer habit tracker built right inside Notion? Let's dive in and build a simple yet effective habit tracker in Notion, step by glorious step, that will help you build strong habits and see your progress unfold. First, create a new page in Notion and give it a title like Habit Tracker. Inside the page, create a new database. Choose the table view for easy organization. Now, customize the database properties to match your needs. Add a date property for tracking daily entries, then add properties for each habit you want to track, using either checkboxes or select properties. Name them clearly, like workout, read, or meditate. Let's add some icons to make it look more appealing. Click on the 3 dots next to each property and select an icon that represents the habit. For workout, a dumbbell icon is perfect. Now, to see your habits visually, create a new view. Choose calendar and name it monthly view. This allows you to see your progress on a monthly basis, offering a clear snapshot of your consistency. This will automatically use the date from the date property. Now, to easily fill out our habit tracker, let's add some buttons at the top of our Notion page. Create new buttons, customize each by giving it a name, icon, and select the habit tracker database. Then select Add a page to insert that page into the database and make sure you select the date property to today. Finally, use filters. Filter the properties to show only completed habits or those that need attention. This helps you quickly identify areas where you might be slacking and stay motivated. And that's it. Now you have a simple habit tracker, tailored to your needs, that will help you build your dreams. Make sure you fill it out daily, and come back every week to check your progression. Subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks.